You're here because you need a little help to boost your channel, to get those views, to get seen in search. And here are 5 tools that will help you with that. That's what we talk about today. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. YouTube is a fickle beast and there's a lot to learn, but there are tools that can help slimline that steep learning curve and help you, jump over those hurdles a little bit quicker. Now, all of these are free or offer free trials, and all of them have links in the description down below. None of them have sponsored me, unfortunately, but I highly suggest checking them all out. Number 1, TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is something that has helped my very own channel and many of my own clients' channels not only rank better, but learn how to title, describe, and tag your videos. TubeBuddy is a free plugin for Chrome, Firefox, and many other browsers. Once again, there's a link in the description down below. And what it does is it helps pick tags. You can go down and it will suggest tags, it will show you the ranking of tags, it will show you the competition of those tags. TubeBuddy also have a mobile phone app that shows you all your stats, that can show you how well you're doing, your live stats of subscribers and random news that are relevant to you and the community of YouTuber. And if you go for a paid version, you can even A/B thumbnail test, which basically means that you can throw out one thumbnail and another one and see how they compete, and you can see which one does better, and then you can use that one. It converts better, it gets you more views, it gets you more subscribers. Very powerful tool, along with many bulk editing functions. So if you wanted to add a load of hashtags to all of your 700 videos, and you don't want to go through each and every one, you can use the multi-bulk action tool, and it can do it for you, saving you hours of time. Edit those end cards, edit those info cards, change any part of your video, making them all public, make them all private. You can bulk edit anything with TubeBuddy. 2, keywords everywhere. Now this is a little gem that I found from, I think it was Sunny Lenarduzzi, which I pronounce wrong all the time. Keywords Everywhere is a little plugin. I use it on Chrome. I believe it's for any browser. And what it does is it allows you to instantly see the popularity of a keyword when you type it in. And it's not just on YouTube, it's any site. So when you start typing it in, it will tell you the competition, the CPM for that, and whether or not you should go for it. You can also color code it so you know that that's a possible target. I personally, for example, as a smaller YouTuber, make sure that if it's 100, 200, 300 searches per month, then that's a small enough traffic, but small enough for me to hook into, and then it's less competitive compared to one that has thousands and thousands of searches per month, in which people may have already dominated that. So if you hook on the little search traffic and you build up lots of little page 1 ranks, then they all build up and it builds your channel authority. 3, morning fame. Now this is a genius application. It's actually a website and not a plugin. Morning fame takes the guesswork out of your analytics. Once you sign in and you connect your account, you can then see how well all of your last 10, 20 videos have been doing compared to each other. It breaks it down in weekly reports, how well your channel is doing. Is it growing from week to week, month to month? You can see how well you're engaging, how well you're communicating, how much they are watching, if a video got you subscribers or lost you subscribers, which ones are doing better, what playlists are doing better, what type of video that you should make more. Morning fame takes the jargon out of it all. You can deep dive into your YouTube Google Analytics, and I suggest you do. But morning fame does it for you and then makes a graphical representation so you can easily at a glance understand that video 1 does better than video 2 for engagement, but video 2 gets you more subscribers in the long run. 4, VidIQ. Now, VidIQ is a plugin extension very much like TubeBuddy. In fact, they're almost identical, except for one's been around slightly longer than the other. VidIQ I have used for a small period of time, but I tend to favour TubeBuddy. VidIQ, once again, will tell you the relevancy of the keywords and the descriptions in your titles, your descriptions, and suggest tags. It will also give you the rankability, the percentage, how well you're doing for them. It has a mass demonetization tool, so it will audit your site and your videos and tell you what you need to tweak and maybe how to improve it. Bulk action tools, everything that you would expect from any mass YouTube tool. It's completely safe to use. Once again, link in the description down below if you wish to install. And 5, a free tool that everyone overlooks is the YouTube search itself. Now, if you're doing your own keyword research, Why not start typing in phrases at the top that you would actively search for to find a video? So let's say we type in YouTube tricks. Now, YouTube tricks will pop down, and underneath there'll be other suggestions. YouTube tricks and tips, YouTube tricks tutorials, YouTube tips 2018. Basically, anything that autofills is already being searched on a quantity that you might want to consider making a video about. You may even want to go into niches, Kylie Jenner and then a specific branch of makeup. Canon 60D for reviews, whether it's a webcam, whether it's a game. If you put in what you are thinking of making a specific video about, and then you see the autofills, maybe use those as tags, maybe tweak your title, maybe move those into the description. It's a free tool that people just tend to take for granted. At the end of the day, a tool can lift you, a tool can help you and promote you, and take a lot of time off of your work schedule that you can then use to make more videos. But those are 5 free tools that you can use to boost your YouTube channel. For more YouTube tricks and tips and tutorials, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live and every time I push a video out there. Go out there, start creating.